Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a fourth grade lesson called Cross the Line, and it's a geometry lesson that's working with angles and lines and those vocabulary words. Knowledge gets students understanding the words. So the students will have a protractor that they can use to measure an angle to determine what type of angle it is, if it's acute, parallel, or acute, obtuse, or right. And so they can use that to determine that. So what the students will do is they will spin the spinner and it will land on a type of angle or line, and they have to determine then they have to find it on the board. So let's say they did right angle and they need to find a right angle on the board. So here, right here is a right angle, and they can mark it. So they can use the protractor if they need to, but they're going to mark it and they can write in right angle on the board. Or they can use this symbol, which means right angle. So it's up to them and what they want to do. So then the next player would go spin the spinner, and let's say they get parallel lines. They are then going to try to determine which lines are parallel on the board, and let's say they realize that this line and this line are parallel, so they're just going to mark that and they're going to write in parallel lines across that so that they have marked that they've found those two lines. So it keeps going until somebody cannot find the type of angle or line on the board. Now, this is a great game for kids to do. They can create their own boards if they want to. They just need a ruler and a blank piece of paper and be able to draw a bunch of lines on a paper, and they can do the same type of game with the lines that they created. So enjoy.